Hey guys, welcome to Ogden, Utah. It's Waterfall Canyon day today. I've never done this trail before. Pretty excited. We've got Khalees and Les.
Whatever happened to the good old days? Whatever happened to the shows we played? Whatever happened to the songs we sang? Did they fade away? Whatever happened to our number one spot? Don't even know if it's still there or not. Whatever happened to the friends we made? Did they find their way? Is it all behind us now? Is it all behind us now? Stuck in the middle between now and then, I scribble riddles with a ballpoint pen and drove around in a beat-up car with an old guitar. It wasn't long ago I saw her face. I knew right then that we were on our way. Whatever happened to the plan?
Well, we made it. How was it?
Is it all behind us now? Is it all behind us now? Was it all just part of history? Is the future's past?
Yeah, probably.
If we're trying to get him to slip naturally,
Good hike? Good hike?
Really good hike.
Oh yeah. Hike. Sweet, thanks for joining me, guys.
Thank you, bro. Thanks, man. That was so fun.
It's calling. Is it all